purchased this beautiful live edge slab of walnut to build some floating shelves in my kitchen. The first part was dividing it into more manageable pieces. It's always nice having an extra set of hands when placing clamps. Cleaned off the bark using a 5-in-1 tool, then finished it off with a beat up paint stripping disc, and finally an orbital sander. You want to be careful not to take off too much, because it'll start taking away from your live edge. Once I got the live edge cleaned up, I finished rough cutting the slab into 3 pieces and ran them through my planer and joiner for their final thickness. Then I use my miter saw to give them the final lengths. I purchased these floating shelf brackets on Amazon for about $30 and secured them to my kitchen wall at the studs. The shelves are fairly heavy since they're solid wood, so it's really important to catch the studs. Once I had the brackets up, I transferred their placements onto the shelves themselves and used my drill press to start the 1/2-inch diameter holes that the brackets would slide into. I marked the center of the shelf by drawing an X between the markings I had made for the brackets. I used my drill press and a 1/2-inch Forstner bit to pre-drill all the holes for the brackets. If you have a drill press, it comes in really handy so the holes are perfectly perpendicular to the wall. My drill press doesn't have the travel I needed for the full depth of the brackets, so I used a drill with a piece of tape to mark the depth I needed to complete the holes. I also routed out a place for the bracket base to fit, so the wood shelf would sit flush against the wall. These are metal tracks I found on Amazon as well that would fit the Phillip Hue light strips that I intend to use. Then I used my router with a flush trim bit to run a dado on the bottom of the shelves where the track could sit flush in the shelves. I also gave the shelves a quick pass through my router table with a round over bit to smooth out the corners and finish sanding the edges and top by hand. I finished these shelves with a water-based polyacrylic. The dry time is super quick, and I didn't want to have to wait several hours to sand and apply each coat. Finally, I installed the light strips into the dado using 3M double-sided tape and pre-drilled some cup hooks so I can hang my coffee mugs under the shelf. And here's what the shelves look like once installed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next session of my kitchen reno.